Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Global HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Global HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in Global HR login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. You will end up on the official page of your Global HR's account. Click on Login at the top right side of the screen. Choose an account you'd like to log in from the given option and tap on Login. Enter your user ID and password associated with your Global HR's account and tap on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Global HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.